Hello and congratulations on taking the first step to grabbing access to this course on WordPress list building and monetization. This is video number 1, and what I want to do now is just to give you a quick overview of this video course as a whole and also talk about the 4 steps. So step number 1 is of course to customize your action plan. So obviously before we talk about the technical setup, how to set up your WordPress site, how to grow your list, and how to monetize your list, you really want to think, how can you customize this to yourself first? Because really that's what matters in the end, is how does this all impact you? So in the next video, I'm going to talk about customizing your action plan and how you can do that. So basically you want to implement this and cater to your needs and create your own customized plan. Step number 2 is, of course, module number 2, which is building your WordPress site. And that's where we talk about the technical, the step-by-step how to create a website from scratch. I'm going to talk about everything like how to get a domain name, how to get web hosting, how to connect the two, and everything like that. And this is covered in videos number 4 through number 12. Step number 3 is module number 2, which is going to be growing your list. Growing your list is important because obviously once you've built your website, the next step is to grow your list. So we'll talk about different strategies, different methods that you can use to build your list for free and how to build a high quality list. You're also going to understand how it works and practical ways to implement this successfully. So you're going to see some step-by-step instruction you get to watch over my shoulder, and I'll show you exactly what you need to do. And this is covered in videos 14 through 19. And of course, the last step is module number 3, which is list conversions and monetization. So by this point, you've built your website, you've understand how to build your list. Now it's time to monetize it and convert it into sales. So how do you do that? How do you take a lead that has essentially gone through your autoresponder, and how do you build a relationship with them? Because really what that comes down to is money will not flow out of the sky. So you have to build a relationship with your list. And you can't assume that, okay, they've already signed up on my list, they're going to buy my stuff. You got to gain their trust. How do you do that? So we're going to talk about that in that specific module. And those videos are 21 through 23. And of course, we'll have the final recap, which is ensuring that you take the necessary action. So with that said, let's move on to the next video, and I'm going to talk about how you can create your own customized plan.